freshly. Here we have a retail leak hinting at a new Pixel stand for Pixel 6 with 23 watt charging speeds. That would be wireless charging speeds because it's a wireless stand. The original Pixel stand that looked like this used to drive me crazy because it had some sort of a bug that at different points in the night the screen would just blast on. Yeah. Did I ever tell you about this?
I think I used it too, and it happened to me.
Yeah,
and
it was buggy. It was something to do with it was trying to be extra smart and turn your phone essentially into a Google Home when it was docked on there, except then it was prone to wake up when you didn't want it to. At least that was my experience. They probably fixed the bug, I'm guessing, eventually.
Yeah.
And hopefully this new one figured it out. According to a tipster for Android Police, a retail outlet has begun entering inventory of a new 23-watt wireless charging Pixel stand that will launch as an accessory to the new Pixels in the coming weeks. Apart from a photo of an inventory screen, an item title, and SKU number, there's not much additional information yet. It says demo Google Pixel 23W stand, 23W indicating 23-watt wireless charging. That is not the fastest we've ever seen, but it is pretty fast for a wireless charger. And it's, double the wattage of the previous version at 10 watts, so more than double. That's a big step up. I like fast charging. Well, you don't need to convince me. I'll take the new Pixel. I'll take the new charge stand.